Good morning, children. Now, let's begin a new lesson from your moral science. Class 7, Moral Science, lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is Discipline Brings Success. So, all of you are very famous, the word discipline. Even when you are in the school, you must have heard several times teachers and others are telling you, be disciplined, children. So, when you make yourself more disciplined, you will become more success in life. So, let's try to understand the lesson. Discipline and obedience are the traits of character that help to form an attractive personality. Read the example of Sweta. It's there in your book. So, what was the speciality of her? She was very disciplined and obedient in the school. As we know, if we go against the law of nature, we will lose the balance of the nature. God has created everyone to be happy. To be happy means we should control our emotions like anger, hatred, enmity, etc. and try to be obedient and disciplined. We should follow the 5 pillars of self-discipline. So, which are those 5 pillars? They are acceptance, willpower, hard work, industry, and persistence. What do you understand by self-discipline? It's nothing but controlling one's feelings and overcoming one's weaknesses. Self-discipline can be accomplished only by accepting and facing the challenges of life. To achieve success in life, we need self-discipline. It is something indispensable which we cannot take out from our life. All those who become great, like athletes, sportsmen, and others, they were following strict self-discipline in life. Children, you can do or you can also become great if you strictly follow self-discipline. If you sit quietly in the class when the teachers teach you, what are you doing there? You are disciplining your ears, your eyes, and tongues. The rules and regulations in the school help you to gain self-discipline. The time management is an important factor of self-discipline. How to manage your time in a proper way. As we have heard that time and tide, what? Waits for none. Do today what you are supposed to do, because tomorrow shall never come to your life. Self-discipline helps one to grow. It will guard the people from all kinds of dangers. When the students obey the rules of the school, they become more obedient and respectful. Like if you follow the traffic rules, so you can avoid the road accidents. So, children, in this way, you can be disciplined in life. So, try to build your life and become more self disciplined and uh, more successful in your life. Arrange everything properly. Don't waste your time. Always remember that time management is an important factor in a student's life. So try to arrange everything properly. You should have a personal timetable of your own. So follow that strictly so that you will have success in life. Don't waste your time because time is precious so that you can achieve success in life. So this is what the lesson mean. Discipline bring success. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. I just gave you the summary of the lesson, and now it's your time, it's your duty to go through the lesson 3 or 4 times, read it properly and understand the lesson. So wish you all the best. Have a good day. God bless you all.